Hey friends, if you wish to view your Windows PC serial number, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So, here's the easiest method to do so. Search for Store in the Windows search bar and open Microsoft Store and wait till it loads. And then you can search for Show Key Plus and hit enter. Then go to the Show Key Plus app and click on install or open whatever option you have. It will open the Showkey Plus app. It needs a few seconds for it, and now it will show you all the details like your serial number and everything. So this is the best way. If you're going through the command prompt to trust me, the commands will not work in most of the cases, like in 80% cases. So I don't recommend that, but if you want that, then you have those options all over the internet. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.